I'm Tasha, speaking with James Thomas of CityFibre at Connected Britain today. Hi James. You're already developing gigabit cities across the UK. What have been the challenges you've faced?
Well, I think there's a number of challenges in getting this gigabit cities up and running. So, we don't build a network that we put in the ground speculatively, and we build them on defined business cases and things. So, and we run a sort of anchor model, and so identifying a suitable anchor to get the network starting to be built in the city or town is really important. So, as we've started to build, we're seeing demand and interest for more towns and cities to become gigabit cities coming forward. So I think that was the challenge in the past and will continue to be some challenge for us. Then clearly as we go and build, it's about then really getting local into the city and town and the engagement in the city and town to get all the constituent users of that fibre network to understand what we're doing, to understand that it's a different network and it's future-proof, and to pre-register and ultimately sign up to use it.
Yeah, great. Are deployments like this helping the UK catch up with the rest of Europe, would you say?
Absolutely. I mean, we firmly believe that the UK is languishing behind in terms of its fibre infrastructure, and as I say, we are delivering pure fibre in our towns and cities, and if you look at any stats on maps in Europe and indeed the world, then the UK doesn't even figure. So the contribution that we're making is really kick-starting the awareness that Britain needs fibre infrastructure to be successful in the future.
So where would you see the UK at the moment in terms of connectivity as a whole, would you say?
Well, I think you've got to look at the different levels of connectivity, but I mean generically, as I've just said before, I think we're languishing behind. Businesses that want to pay for it can get expensive connectivity today, but there is a lack of competition in infrastructure, and we're bringing that alternative option, that choice to our markets that we're in, and we'd like to do it to more. But ultimately, it will allow and facilitate a much broader fibre penetration and therefore a much better degree of connectivity in those towns and cities.
Great, thank you very much for talking to us, James.
Pleasure.